Hello, good to have you here. I'd love to tutor. This question is on page 172 of Functional Mathematics for Senior Secondary Schools, Book 1 by T.M. Asiru et al. So the question says in figure 10.58, what is the value of angle M? Alright, so looking at this diagram. First, let's reproduce this diagram so we can project the relevant parts. So let's first of all close up this place, so at least we can have XYZ looking like a triangle. It's supposed to be a straight line. Okay, so let's label accordingly so we can name everything properly. So let's call this point M. Let's call this point capital M, where you have the angle M. Let's call this capital M. And let's call this okay, this angle here, let's call it angle A. Let's call this angle here angle B. Angle B. Everything is looking clearer. So we're having as you can see, we're having two triangles here. We're having triangle XYZ and triangle XMZ. So now in triangle XYZ, we have this is in triangle XYZ, we have the whole of this angle here, and we have the whole of this angle here. So we can say for triangle XYZ we have this is a right angle triangle, so this is 90 degrees. We have 90 degrees plus 33 plus A degrees plus 22 plus B degrees equals to 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle. And then for triangle XMZ, we have the angles there are A plus M plus B, which is supposed to give us 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle. So now if this is equal to 180 degrees and this is equal to 180 degrees, it shouldn't be out of place for us to say that this is equal to this. 180 is equal to 180, so we can in the same manner say that this is equal to this, since both of them are 180s. Both of them are equal to 180, so we have that 90 degrees plus 33 plus A degrees plus 22 plus B degrees is equal to A plus M plus B. Plus B. Okay, so we have that. Let's open up the brackets. We have 90 degrees plus 33 plus A plus 22 plus B is equal to A plus M plus B. So this is 33 degrees. This is 33 degrees. This is 22 degrees. And okay, so we have 90 plus 33 plus 22 will give us 145 degrees. 145 degrees, so plus A plus B, which is equal to A plus M plus B. So we have A plus B common to both sides, and if this A plus B goes over to this side, it goes off. So we have 145 degrees equals to A plus M plus B. This A coming over to this side becomes minus A, and this B coming over to this side becomes minus B, so that this minus this is gone and this is gone. So we have that 145 degrees is equal to M. So M is equal to, okay, so M is equal to 145 degrees. So we've gotten our M, 145 degrees. This question is on page 169, Functional Mathematics for Senior Secondary Schools, Book 1, by T.M. Asiru et al. The question says, if the angles of a pentagon are 52 degrees, 100 degrees, 110 degrees, z minus 30 degrees, and 42 degrees, what is the value of z? So first you have to recall that a pentagon has 5 sides, and that's why you have 5 angles here: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the sum of these are the interior angles of this pentagon. So, and the sum of the interior angles of a polygon, of which a pentagon is one, of a polygon, is given as 2n minus 4 right angles, that's times 90 degrees. So since we have the angles given, we have that the sum is 52 degrees plus, adding the angles, 100 degrees plus 110 degrees plus z minus 30 degrees plus 42 degrees. This is the sum is supposed to be equal to 2n minus 4 times 90 degrees. In this case, it's a pentagon we're dealing with, so n is 5. So let's add up these numbers. We have 52 plus 100 plus 110 plus 42. Okay, 52 plus 100 will give you 152. 152 plus 110, 152 will give you 262. 262. So 262 plus 242. 262 plus 242 will give you 304. So we have 304 degrees plus C minus 30 degrees. So we just have to open up that bracket. It's supposed to be equal to 2. In this case, pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides, so minus 4 times 90 degrees. So 304 minus 30 degrees will give you minus 30 degrees will give you 4 minus 0 will give you, okay, then minus 3. So it's supposed to give you 274 degrees plus Z, which is equal to 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 4 is 5. 10 minus 4 is 6. This is 6 times 90 degrees. So you have 274 degrees plus Z equals 540 degrees. So that you have that Z is equal to 540 degrees minus 274 degrees. So that Z is equal to 274 degrees. 10 minus 4 will give you 6. You have 3 here. 10 minus 7 will give you 6, and you have 2 left. 4 minus 2 will give you 2. So you have that Z is equal to 266 degrees. So that's our Z.